Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best lean body chocolate is probably one of the most delicious and convenient ways to fuel your body with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. This product is designed to support your fitness goals, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. Join me as we dive deep into the world of lean body chocolate, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and overall value. Number 5. Portable Folding Exercise Bar for Home Workouts. This ballet bar is designed for superior stability during your workouts. Its unique design and long base provide a sturdy foundation. It also includes weight racks for added stability and non-slip rubber feet for a secure grip. This portable bar features a quick-release hinge for easy folding and unfolding. When folded, it's only 5 inches wide, making it easy to store under a bed or in a closet. Built-in wheels allow for smooth transport. Experience quality with this home gym ballet bar, featuring a sturdy steel frame and smooth hardwood bar. It's tested to support over 250 pounds of vertical force and stands at a standard height. It's perfect for ballet and bar fitness enthusiasts. Transform your home gym with this versatile equipment. It's ideal for strength, cardio, ballet, and bar exercises. You can target your abs, arms, legs, core, and booty. It enhances flexibility and serves as excellent stretching equipment. Assemble this ballet equipment in minutes with our easy installation video. It complements any decor with its neutral off-white paint. The removable weight racks and logo banner add versatility, while floor supports with rubber pads and rolling wheels ensure smooth movement and stability. What we like. This ballet bar boasts a stable design, perfect for various workouts. It folds easily for convenient storage, saving space in your home. If you are looking for a versatile workout tool that supports different exercises and fits seamlessly into your home, you should consider this. What people say. The bar has a beautiful solid wood bar, just like the ballet bars you would see at any ballet or bar studio. The frame is nicely painted beige tan color. The hardware on the wooden bar is shiny nickel coated, and the feet, like an L-angle shaped frame, are the same beige tan very neutral color. Number 4. Codeage Liquid Collagen Chocolate, Beauty Trim and Glow. This is Codage's delicious chocolate-flavored liquid collagen supplement. It's a convenient blend of essential nutrients. This easy-to-drink formula is designed for your daily wellness routine. The supplement features conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and tricollagen. It includes types 1, 2, and 3 hydrolyzed collagen. You can get all the benefits in one easy serving. Each serving also provides vitamin E and whey protein. This unique combination supports your overall health. It's a simple way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet. This formula includes hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate. It's designed to support both men's and women's wellness routines. This supplement is a great addition to your daily regimen. The product uses liposomal delivery for enhanced absorption. It utilizes non-GMO sunflower oil phospholipids. This ensures the body can effectively utilize the ingredients. Codeage Liquid Collagen is manufactured in the USA. It's made in a CGMP-certified facility. The product is free from GMOs, MSG, gluten, wheat, soy, and yeast. What we like. This liquid collagen features liposomal delivery for enhanced absorption. It is also non-GMO and manufactured in the USA. If you prioritize easy-to-consume supplements with high bioavailability and quality ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. The taste is great and mixes well. I have been using this product for a couple of years and it is a great meal replacement. It has helped me lose weight and keep it off. Number 3. Cellucor C4 Sport Pre-Workout Powder. Are you ready to elevate your workouts? This pre-workout is designed to help you beat your personal best. It's trusted by athletes everywhere to help them crush their goals. Formulated with a special compound, it helps build lean muscle mass. It maximizes performance and increases strength for all athletes, from pros to everyday gym goers. It includes carnosine beta-alanine, which supports muscular endurance. This helps fight fatigue, so you can push yourself further. You might even feel a harmless tingling sensation. This product is NSF certified for sport. This means it's been independently tested and trusted by organizations like USADA and the NHL. You can be confident in what you're taking. Enjoy it in delicious flavors like blue raspberry. Simply mix 1 scoop with water 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. Get ready to experience the difference. What we like. This pre-workout is designed to help you build muscle and increase strength. It also helps increase your rep count during workouts. If you are looking to enhance your performance and ensure product safety, you should consider this. What people say. High energy, you feel a remarkable impulse without being exaggerated or causing nervousness. Greater muscular endurance, during the most intense workouts I have noticed that I can keep up the pace for longer. It mixes easily with no clumps. Number 2. GNC Total Lean Shake, Chocolate Peanut Butter. Introducing GNC Total Lean Shake Plus Slim Vance. This protein powder comes in 2 delicious flavors. It's formulated with a groundbreaking combination of herbal ingredients to help you on your weight loss journey. This shake is clinically proven to reduce body weight. It helps you shed pounds and inches. It's a great way to support your goals. Each serving provides 25 grams of protein and only 190 calories. It's a convenient and effective way to fuel your body. It's a great addition to your daily routine. With 7 grams of fiber per serving, it helps you feel full and satisfied. This shake is designed to keep you feeling great. It's a smart choice for your health. This shake helps you lose inches from your hips and waist. It's a caffeine-free formula. It's a delicious way to reach your goals. What we like. This shake is clinically proven to help reduce body weight. It is also caffeine-free and packed with protein. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to support your weight loss journey, you should consider this. What people say. I have been using this product for a few weeks now and I have lost 10 pounds. The chocolate flavor is delicious and mixes well with water or milk. It keeps me full for hours and gives me sustained energy throughout the day. Number 1. Muscle Building Cookbook, Recipes for Fat Loss and Muscle Gain. Are you struggling to find delicious and healthy recipes that support your fitness goals? This cookbook is packed with over 25 recipes designed to help you build muscle and lose fat. It makes meal prep easy and enjoyable. This cookbook provides you with the tools to eat right and achieve your dream body. It focuses on recipes that are both tasty and effective for muscle building. It's the perfect companion for your workout routine. Inside, you'll discover a variety of recipes that cater to different tastes and dietary needs. Each recipe is carefully crafted to help you maximize your results. It's a game changer for anyone serious about fitness. This cookbook is your secret weapon for transforming your physique. It's designed to help you shed unwanted fat while building lean muscle. It's a simple, yet effective approach to achieving your goals. Ready to see real results? This cookbook gives you everything you need to succeed. It's a comprehensive guide to healthy eating and muscle building. Get ready to transform your body. What we like. This cookbook provides delicious recipes to help you build muscle and lose fat. It offers a variety of recipes to help you achieve your body goals. If you like to cook and want to build muscle and lose fat, you should consider this. What people say. The taste is great and mixes well. It has a good balance of protein, carbs, and fats. It's a convenient meal replacement option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.